My name is Jim Sullivan, and I'm the founder of Pi Variables Incorporated. We manufacture products to help drivers navigate safely around work zones and traffic incidents on the highway. There are a number of people injured and unfortunately killed on the roadway every day. And if you've ever stood on a highway where cars are going at 70 miles an hour, it's scary stuff. There are many distractions on the highway today, and of course texting and all the equipment on the dash and the vehicle itself has led to a number of distracted drivers, and unfortunately leads to a lot of incidents. We have found that through sequential flashing lamps, we can guide traffic around these individuals and make it safer for them on the highway. Our product is designed to help both the individuals unprotected on the highway doing their job and the driver who, if they unfortunately hit something, will get injured as well. So both parties benefit. What we're trying to accomplish is that individuals and families have a sense of comfort that if they send a loved one off and the car's on the side of the road with a flat tire, that we can help protect them. The dream of our team is to see one of our sensors or lamps on every mile of highway, and through that deployment, make it a safer road for people to drive.